Welcome back to Product Critique, where we review the best tech gadgets on the market. Today, we're diving into the JSAUX printer cable, a standout in connectivity solutions. If you're looking for the best type of USB cable, look no further. The JSAUX printer cable is designed for those who demand reliability and speed in their USB connections. Whether you're connecting a printer, scanner, or other USB-B devices, this cable delivers. Let's talk about what makes this cable stand out. It boasts gold-plated connectors for optimal signal clarity, ensuring your data transfers are swift and stable. The nylon braided design not only enhances durability but also keeps the cable tangle-free, a blessing for anyone who's dealt with messy cables. Compatible with a wide range of devices including HP, Canon, Dell, Epson, and more. The JSAUX cable ensures seamless connectivity across your tech ecosystem. It supports USB 2.0 speeds up to 480 megabits per second, backward compatible with older USB standards, so you're covered no matter your setup. Build quality matters, and JSAUX doesn't disappoint. The cable is robustly constructed to withstand daily use, making it a reliable companion whether you're in a home office or a professional setting. Worried about longevity? Fear not. JSAUX backs this cable with an 18-month warranty and 24/7 customer service, ensuring peace of mind with your purchase. In conclusion, if you're in the market for a high-quality USB printer cable that combines durability, speed, and excellent customer support, the JSAUX printer cable is an easy choice. With its competitive price point and rave reviews, it's no wonder why it's a top pick for so many users. That's all for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more tech reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.